In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a OneDrive account to your PC. Setting up your OneDrive account on your computer can streamline your workflow, giving you seamless access to your files across all your devices. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're set up smoothly and efficiently. First, let's make sure your computer is ready for OneDrive. To get started, you'll want to confirm that you have Windows installed on your PC. Most Windows versions come with OneDrive pre-installed, but if you don't see it, you can easily download it from Microsoft's official site. Having OneDrive installed means you are all set to access your files from virtually anywhere, which is incredibly convenient. Now, let's move on to finding the OneDrive app. You'll want to go to your system tray, which you can usually find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for a cloud icon that's your OneDrive. If it's not there, you can search for OneDrive in the Start menu to launch the app. This icon is your gateway to accessing all your documents and more, directly from the cloud. Next, click on the OneDrive icon. This will prompt you to enter your email address. Be sure to use the email linked to your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you might want to take a moment to create an account. It's pivotal for accessing the cloud services Microsoft offers. Once you've entered your email, click Sign In to proceed. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to use the right one associated with your Microsoft account to gain access. If you have trouble remembering your password, consider using a password manager to keep track of all your accounts. As you log in, a window will appear asking where you want to store your OneDrive files. The default location is usually a folder called OneDrive within the user directory of your computer, but if you prefer another location, you can change it at this stage. Consider your computer's storage strategy when setting this up to ensure optimal organization. Once you've selected your location, click Next. You'll see a set of informational windows telling you a bit about OneDrive features, like how to get to your files anytime, whether you're connected to the internet or not. Just follow these prompts and click through until you get to the Open My OneDrive folder option, then click on it to view your OneDrive files. You'll now notice a OneDrive folder in the File Explorer window. This folder will sync automatically with your OneDrive Online, so any documents you add here will be accessible from your other devices linked to this account. Congratulations, you have successfully added your OneDrive account to your PC. This setup ensures that your important documents, photos, and other files are just a couple of clicks away, no matter where you are. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.